To set up your drone for first fly, so turn on your RC. You don't need to turn on your drone right now, but I just turn it on. To turn off, on press and press and hold, then your drone will be turned off. And here you can see the setting, so you have to select your language. I'm selecting select my language, press on agree, and country region where you want to access, add your country. I'm selecting my country. Once done, press on next. Now you have to connect with Wi-Fi network, so let's connect Wi-Fi network. Now it's connecting, so once done, press on next. Now you have to select your time zone. I'm selecting my time zone. Press on OK, press on next, press on confirm. Now you have to create a new account. If you already have account, then enter your email password. If you don't have, press on create account and enter your registered email and password, and it's the normal process. Sign up. So I already have an account. So once all done, if you press on login, press on active. Now welcome, press on start. Now swipe horizontal from edge of skin like that, press on start like that. Now if you want to skip this process, is the the user manual actually, you can skip, or if you don't know how to use those buttons, you can check this tutorial as well. And once done, go to DJI Fly, and now resource is downloading. Make sure your DJI RC connected with Wi-Fi, and here you can see the demo. Skip it. DJI location info, hardware info. Okay, no problem. Then authorize all, and let's press on join. Now it's ready to use. Now you have to press on update to download all new firmware update. So you have to wait couple of minutes to complete those process. Once done, press on connect to your aircraft, and at that time you need to turn on your DJI drone. So I turn it on. You can see this kind of interface. You have to press on agree, and you can see activation successfully. Press on done. Now here you can see the update. Just press on update, then all file will be update within short time. So once complete, then your drone will be ready for fly. So if you have time, so be patient. Let's complete the process. I will show you the full guide. Keep watching. Complete the first step, then you can see this kind of interface. You can just cross it, and now device firmware update, and let's turn on my drone again, and let's try to fly for safety reason. Then you can see my all interface is almost ready. Now standard text OK. Now if you press on this icon,
approached edge of altitude zone,
and then if you press on, then your drone
off. Call point update.
So this is the in mode, and if you set the S mode,
Obstacle sensing unavailable.
if
Filing
your optical sensor will be disabled, so it's harmful for the this kind of a room. If you have free space or you need more speed, you select S mode. Otherwise, all time select in mode for your safety, for drone safety, and C for cinematic, but in mode is always safe. And this is the home button. If you press this button, your drone will be automatically back to your home point, and this is the turn off button. And this is the photo video, and horizontal and vertical mode, and you can zoom in or zoom out with this button. That's it. And if you turn off on press and press and hold, then your drone will be turned off, and on press and press and hold your drone, then your drone also will be turned off. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.